Let us look at the demonstration for writing a class in C++, and also I will explain about constructors. So I will write the same C++ class for rectangle right from the beginning. Class rectangle, right? Then it should have members, length and breadth. And these members should be declared as private. By default they are private only, but again I am declaring. Then rest of the things should be public. Now every C++ class should have a constructor. It's not mandatory, but it's a good style of programming to define constructors. So first constructor is a non-parameterized constructor. This is also called as default constructor, which is making length and breadth as 0. Means if you're creating an object of a rectangle without passing any arguments, then it will make length and breadth as 0. Then one more rectangle constructor I will write on, which will take length and breadth as a parameter, and it will set given length as a length of a rectangle and the given breadth as breadth of a rectangle. So we have constructors. Then the next type of methods which we have already seen are area method that will return length into breadth. Then one more method is perimeter. Okay. Then perimeter, this will return 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Then apart from this, we also write the methods that are used for reading and writing the properties of a rectangle. So I will write on the methods void set length, which will change the length. Okay, length assigner. Later on, if you want to change the length of a rectangle, you can call this method. Same way, set breadth. Later on, if you want to change the breadth of a rectangle, you can change the breadth. All right. Then if you want to know what is the length, then get length method must be there. This is the style of C++, right? This is object orientation style. So I'm not teaching object orientation here, but I expect that you already know object oriented programming, that is C++ programming. Just I'm revising the concepts, right? See, that's all. I have written almost all the methods. Let us look at all the methods once and then finish the class. See, class is having private members, length and breadth, right? Then this is a default constructor. This is a parameterized constructor. And these methods, area and perimeter, are the actual methods that we wanted. Then rest of the things are all extra. Yes, in C++ we write extra code. The code that we are not using also we write it, so that when we write the class for something, it should be a complete class, right? If you think that why I should write so much, only length into breadth I have to do, then you don't use C++, right? See, we have written a rectangle class. It is useful at any place in any program, not just this program. Then rest of the methods, set length, set breadth are called as mutator functions. Get length, get breadth are called as accessor functions, which are used for reading the properties length and breadth. These are used for writing the properties length and breadth. And lastly, a class should have a destructor, and here we don't have to destroy anything. If there is any dynamic memory allocation, then you can deallocate it, but I don't have anything to do, so I will just print. So this is a destructor, so just I am printing message destructor. All right. Now inside the main function, I should do the same thing. Rectangle object I should create, and I will directly pass the values here. I'm not taking user input. Okay, already we have seen in previous programs, so you can write down C in, C out, and take the input from the user. Then directly I will print area, right? Then area is r dot area. Then C out. Next is perimeter, r dot perimeter. That's it. And one more thing, I will write NL here for each statement after print out it should come into next line. Let us run the program and see. Area is 50, perimeter is 30, and destructor is also displayed because once the main function ends, the object is automatically destroyed. This destructor function is called. That's it. This is a C++ code. Alright. So the next topic is for template. So I have given a whiteboard lecture for template, and I suggest you write down the program by yourself. Okay, you can convert any data structure class into a template, so that is helpful for you. So that's all in this video. Practice this one and also practice template. That's all in this video.